Welcome to this beautiful example of architectural harmony, where timeless design meets modern functionality. This home was created with an emphasis on craftsmanship, detail, and balance, offering a luxurious living experience that blends both tradition and innovation. As you approach, the grand entrance is framed by traditional stone columns, leading to a welcoming porch, complete with a comfortable seating area. The combination of stonework and brick creates a warm, inviting facade that's both striking and durable. The driveway leads to a carefully designed garage, framed with stone accents that enhance the home's overall aesthetic. Its design provides ample space for parking while maintaining a cohesive look with the rest of the architecture. Moving to the backyard, this space has been crafted for both relaxation and entertainment. The expansive patio is perfect for gatherings, and the covered outdoor area ensures enjoyment in all weather conditions. Skylights overhead flood the area with natural light, blending indoor comfort with the outdoor environment. The luxurious pool area is surrounded by landscaped greenery, offering privacy and serenity. The garden house complements the pool, providing additional space that can be used for a variety of purposes, from a poolside retreat to a functional garden room. The rear elevation showcases a thoughtful use of natural materials, combining stone, wood, and metal elements to create a balanced design. The large windows maximize natural light, and the stone-clad columns bring an elegant, enduring character to the home. This home perfectly blends classic charm with modern sophistication, offering a functional yet beautifully designed space for living and entertaining. Every detail has been meticulously crafted to create a home that stands out for both its form and function. Thank you for joining us on this tour. Connect with us and discover how we can help you bring your dream home to life.